Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is obliterate. It is pronounced a-bli-ter-rate and spelt O-B-L-I-T-E-R-A-T-E. Think ob, lit, ER, and then 8. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Obliterate means to utterly destroy or wipe out something so it no longer exists or can be recognized. It describes erasing something completely, leaving no trace behind. For example, you could say, the tornado obliterated the small town, leaving nothing but rubble in its wake. Or, the artist decided to obliterate the initial sketch and start again with a blank canvas. The word obliterate comes from the Latin word obliterare, which means to erase or to blot out. See the connection? In the popular video game, Minecraft, players can use TNT to obliterate blocks and create caves and mines. The TNT destroys all around it, allowing the player to rebuild whatever they want in the space made. Synonyms for obliterate include annihilate, demolish, eradicate, and extinguish. Antonyms for obliterate are preserve, protect, safeguard, and conserve. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, obliterate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.